See here, what have we learned? We know that the quadrant system, how to take in quadrant system, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. In terms of pi, this is 0 pi, this is pi over 2, this is 1 pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Yes? Yes? Yes. Supplementary angles means the angles which will be aligned on this. So 0 degree supplementary, yes. 360, yes. 180, yes. So 3 numbers to remember right now. For now, we'll think about the cycle later. First, supplementary means you should remember 3 numbers. What are those? 0 degree, right? This is 0 degree, 0 degree, 360 degree and 180 degree. These are supplementary. Now we'll take about sign convention for this. In the last video also we learned all trigonometric functions are positive here. Here sine and cosecant are positive. Here tan and the reverse cot are positive. Here cos and secant are positive. All sine and cosecant, tan and cot, cos and secant. You know all of this positive. Now the questions come, we'll start from here. Sine of 180 plus theta. Sine of 180 plus theta. The first thing we need to do is think about the quadrant. How to decide a quadrant? I have 180 plus theta. Where is 180? 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus. If it is a plus, go to the anti-clock direction. So that will come into the third quadrant. So third quadrant. In the third quadrant, is a sine positive? See, tan and cot are positive, but others are negative. So I have to take negative. If you have supplementary angle, just see here what is there. Write down that and just write theta. See here, first thing what you need to do, we have to decide the quadrant. How to decide a quadrant? See the angle inside. 180 plus theta. Where is 180? 180 plus, that is increase of angle or going into anti-clock direction. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, sine is what? Sine is negative because tan and cot are positive. Sine is negative. And when it comes to supplementary angle, take the same thing. Sine is there, sine you have to take. Cos is there, cos you have to take. Tan is there, tan you have to take. So sine is there, sine you have to take. Okay? Okay? So, okay, just we'll write this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third and this is fourth quadrant. Now I'll take a sine of 180 minus theta. What is the first thing we have to do? We have to think about quadrant. How to decide a quadrant? See the number inside. 180 minus, where is 180? This is 180. If we have a plus, we have to increase an angle. If you have minus, we have to decrease. If it is a minus, let's decrease an angle. So what you will get? You will get second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive? Yes, because sine is there here. If there is no angles here, we have to take negative. So there is a sine, we have to take this as positive. And cos, it is a supplementary, we have to take sine as it is. So sine, if there is a theta, write theta. That's it. Now let's try cos of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Can you do it? Pause the video. Can you do it? What you need to do? First think about the quadrant. 180. Where is 180? This is 180. If it is a plus, go next. If it is negative, go backward. So forward is anti-clock direction. 180 plus 180 plus. That is which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, is cos positive? No, because tan and cot are positive, others are negative. So I should take negative. Cos is there, just have to take cos. There is a theta, just consider theta. Next, cos of 180 degree minus theta. Again, go to 180 degree because 180 is here. 180 minus, if you have a minus, you have to go like this. Which is that? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is positive? No, it is again negative. Cos, and we have a theta, just write theta. Is that okay? Is that okay? Now again, I'll consider 180 is done. You can do the same thing for tan. Tan of 180 plus theta. What will be 180 plus theta? Again, you have to go to 180 degree. You have a plus, go forward. If it is tan, it is a positive. So I have to take positive. And what you have to do is there? Tan is there. Just take tan. Then the theta is there. Just take theta. tan of 180 degree minus theta. Tan of 180 degree minus there is second quadrant. So the tan is negative. So I'll take negative. Tan theta. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that fine? Is that fine? Yes. So if you can write this answer again, if you can write these answers again, then go to the next part of the video. Otherwise, watch from the beginning of this part. If you can write answer for this, if you can write answer for this, if you can write answer for this, if you can write for answer for this, if you can write, go forward. Otherwise, watch it again this part. Okay. So now in the same case, if I take cot of 180 degree minus theta. Where is 180 degree? This is 180 degree. Minus means I have to go opposite. Opposite is what? It's a negative because there is no cot here, right? So 180 minus, this is negative. Cot is there, just take cot. If there is a theta, just take theta. Next, cot of 180 degree plus theta. Where is cot? Sorry, where is 180 degree? This is 180 degree plus means anti-clock direction. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. Yes, cot is positive. You have to take cot and there is a theta. Just take theta. Chala, let's switch to Kannada. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 0, 360, 180. 0, 360, 180 ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 360 180. ಸೊ 180 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, 360 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 180 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 180. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ನೋಡಿ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಏನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. Then again we have to take sine and this is the theta. Just take theta. ಇದೇ ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದ? 180 plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸಾರಿ, cos ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ cos theta. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡಿ. ಇದು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, now we know how to deal with supplementary angles and the formulas that we derived from it. So let's use that to calculate some of the angles. So how do we do that? An example, find what is sine 135 degree. So this is the first question we have to solve. See here, it is very simple. First, what we need to do, visualize where is 135 degree. How to do that? See, what we learned is this is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and again this is 360 degree. Isn't it so? This is what we have learned. Now 135 degree, where it can be here? No, it is more than 90. So more than 90 but less than 180 degree. So 135 degree line is somewhere here. That is 135 degree line. So 135 degree line we have found. Now what we will do? We know how to do with 180 and 0 and 360. We know these angles. So can I write 135 degree as 180 degree? 180 degree is more. So we have to decrease from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 45 degree. Can I write 135 degree as this? How do I know where it is 45 only? Remember one thing, all your question, when there is a unit of 5 degree in the unit position, always add or subtract with 45 degree. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 225 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ 225 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ always take positive negative of 45. So let's first construct what you call a table. See, whenever you find 135 degree, take it as 180 degree minus 45 degree. This is the first thing. Learn it. 135 degree, whenever you get, what you need to do? 180 degree minus 45 degree. If you have 225 degree, what you need to do? 180 degree plus 45 degree. What is that? 225 degree can be written as what? 180 degree plus 45 degree. Is that good? Is that good? If you have 405 degree, see here, again 360 degree plus 45 degree. 405 degree can be written as 360 degree plus 45 degree. These are majority of the problems that we can see. If we have like 190 degree, you cannot get it, because 180 degree plus 10 degree, we don't know about 10 degree, so we don't care about it. If we have 210 degree, yeah, they can ask question, because 180 degree plus 30 degree, right? So don't worry all of this, just think about these three. These three are the important, the angles that you are going to get always. Okay, 135 degree, 225 degree, 405 degree. Okay, now, see here, I have 135 degree. 135 degree can be written as what? 180 minus 45. See, this is same like sine of 180 minus theta. What is sine of 180 minus theta? 180 minus, you are already in second quadrant. 135, visualize this is already in second quadrant. In second order, sine is positive. So sine, I will keep it as it is. Theta I should get. So in the same way, positive sine 45 degree, right? So sine 45 is how much? 1 by root. Is that good? Now again, we will solve it 225 degree. Find tan of 225 degree. How will you find? See what you need to do? Again, you need to consider axis and 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Pause the video. Visualize where is 225 degree. Pause the video. Visualize it first. Where is 225 degree? Visualize it where it is. I hope you have done. See, now it is 0 to 90. 225 is more than 90. 180 or also more than 225. 270, no, it is not more than. So it should be behind here, na? So this should be somewhat 225 degree, right? So this can be written as 225 degree can be written as what? 180 plus 45. So this becomes tan of 180 plus 45 degree. Tan of 180 plus 45 degree. So it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant tan is positive, so I can take, because 225 is already visualized, it is in third quadrant. So in third quadrant tan is positive, I have taken positive. Tan theta I have to write, that is 45 degree, right? So this will become tan 45 is 1, right? Chalo, try to solve sine 405 degree. Try to solve this also. Okay, is that cool? Let's switch into Kannada. ಸಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? 135, 225, 403, 405. ಇವು 3 ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 180 minus 45 ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೇ ತರ, 180 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 360 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 180, 0, 360 ಇವು ಮೂರೇ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಮೂರೇ, 180, 0, 360. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಮತ್ತೆ 270 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 180, 360, 180, 360, 0 ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 125 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. 180 minus 45, 225 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 180 plus 45, 405 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 360 plus 45. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಮೇಜರ್, ಇವೇ ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 180 minus 45. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 180 minus 45. Sine of 180 minus theta already last video ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. That is sin theta ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ sin theta ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 45. That's sin 45. Sin 45 is to 1 by root. ಅದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಗಿಸೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಏನೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin of 405 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. sin of 405 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? sin of 360 plus 360 degree plus 45 degree. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 405 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಈಗ? 405 ಹೆಂಗ್ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹೌ ಟು ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ 405 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನಾವು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360 na? But there is no 405 degree. To get more than 360 degree, every time you have to add 90 degrees. So 360 plus 90 degree is how much? 360 plus 90 degree is 400 and 360 plus 90, 450 degrees na? 360 plus 90 is 450 degree. Again, if you add 90 to this, how much you will get? You will get 540 degree. Again, if you add 90 degree to this, how much you will get? 630 degree. Is it correct? 620 degree. Okay, is this correct? So every time if you want more than 360 degree, every time add more than 90 degree. Now 405 degree will come around here because it is less than 450, more than 360. Now, so what you can get, sine of 360 plus theta, 360 plus first quadrant, sine is positive, sine I have to take as it is, 45 degree I have to consider. So sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Okay. So now, at the end of this video, these are must and should. You should be capable of solving this. What are the questions? Sine 135 degree, try to solve it. Cos 135 degree, tan 135 degree. Okay, then sine 225 degree, solve this. Cos 225 degree, tan 225 degree, solve this. Again, find sine 405 degrees, cos 405 degree, tan 405 degree. Solve this, don't go anywhere. These are the must question you should be capable of solving. If you can solve this, now we are very comfortable with supplementary angles. We will take 2 more questions from your DCET question paper, that is up your previous year. Then we'll go to the next thing. Okay, first solve this, don't go forward, just solve this. If you cannot solve this, watch this video from the beginning. You will know how to solve these questions. Okay, chalo, now we'll directly take the question paper questions. Yes guys, this is a previous year question. What is asked? Sine 225 plus cos minus 135 degrees. See here, sine 225, how to solve this? Sine 225 degrees is nothing but sine of, first what you need to do, you need to recognize which quadrant it comes in, right? 225, this is 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. 225, that is more than 180 degree. So I have to write it as 180 plus 45 degree. So sine of 180 plus theta, that is third quadrant. So minus sine theta. So 45 degree I should consider. So minus sine 45. So minus sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Again, let's take the second part. That is cos minus 135 degree. Right? See, this is nothing but cos of minus theta. Na? It looks like cos of minus theta. So this can be written as what? Cos of 0 minus theta. 0 minus, that comes with fourth quadrant. So cos is positive, I'll get cos theta. So this becomes what? Cos 135 degree. So how to write 135 degree? Where is 135 degree? It is more than 90 degrees, so it should come over here. So this is nothing but 135 degrees. So I can write this as cos of, see 135, 180 minus or 130 plus? 180 minus, na? So cos of 180 minus some theta. How much is that? 45 degree. This is already learnt. You should always remember 135, 225 and 405. These three numbers you should always remember. So this will become cos of 180 minus second quadrant. Now 135, we can see it is already in second quadrant. So minus cos 45 degree. Again, how much I got? Minus 1 by root 2. So what was the question? Sine 225 degree plus cos of minus 135 degree. This was a question. So sine 225 degree. Sine 225 degree is how much? Sine 225 degree is minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2. Again we got minus 1 by root 2. See here, minus root 2 is same common. So LCM is root 2 itself. Minus 1 is how much? Minus 2. So this is the final answer. There's another question we will do. That is tan 225 degree times cot 405 degree. So first we will solve tan 225 degree. How much is tan 225 degree? Let's solve this. Again, first we have to visualize where is 225 degree. So ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 225 degree ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? So this is 0 degree, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Where is 225? It is above 180 degree, below 270 degree. So this is line is 225 degree line, right? So this can be written as what? Tan of 225 can be written as tan of, it is more than 180. So 180 plus 45 degree. We can see this is in third quadrant, right? So third quadrant means tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1, right? Again, the next question is cot 405 degree. So again, I told you, this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360. If you want more than 360, just add 90 degree. 360 plus 90 is how much? 450 degree. So this line again can be called as what? 450 degree line. So 405 degree, that is less than 450 degree, it should be somewhere 405 degree line, right? So 405 degree line is here. So it is less than 450 degree and more than 360 degree. So can I write cot of 405 degree as what? 360 plus 45 degree. So 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta, it is in first quadrant. We can see it is in first quadrant, right? The first quadrant angle, all are positive. So this will become cot 45 degree. That is again 1. So what was the question given? Question tan 225 degree times cot 405 degree. This is a question. Tan 225 is how much? Plus 1. This is what we got, right? Times what is cot 405 degree? Cot 405 degree is again plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. This is a final answer, right? Right? Chalo. Let's, in the next class, we are going to see about how to talk about these two angles, that is 90 to 70. Okay? That is supplementary angle question. So we'll see you in the next video.